In 10 steps, we are going to reveal everything that you need in order to go from where you are now to having all the essential knowledge to profitably start affiliate marketing in 2023. You can watch and read as many videos, tutorials, and guides as you want online about affiliate marketing. Whatever they showcase or mention lies somewhere in between the principles that we are going to present to you today. We bring information to you only after thoroughly having done our research. So, let's start with the interesting part. Researching and choosing a niche is a crucial step in your affiliate marketing journey, especially if you are a beginner in 2023. Your niche is the specific topic or area of interest that you will focus on in your affiliate marketing efforts. To ensure success, you need to select a niche that aligns with your interests and has a potential audience. Start by brainstorming topics that you are passionate about or have expertise in. This will help you stay motivated and knowledgeable when creating content and promoting products. Consider using affiliate marketing tutorial resources to help you find the right niche for you. And now it's getting better. Consider utilizing well-established keyword research tools such as SEMrush, Ahrefs, or Moz Keyword Explorer. These tools offer comprehensive data on search trends, search volume, and competition levels for specific keywords. For those who don't know, we have released a video about all the theoretical and fundamental knowledge that someone should have in order to thrive in affiliate marketing. You can check it out. Now, let's move forward. After selecting your niche, the next crucial step in building a successful affiliate marketing strategy is to identify and choose the right affiliate programs. These programs will serve as the bridge between you, the affiliate marketer, and the reputable companies offering products or services within your chosen niche. When looking for affiliate programs, it's essential to focus on reputable companies that align with your niche. Look for those that offer products or services that complement your niche and resonate with your target audience. Ensuring relevance will increase the likelihood of conversions and generate more online income for you as an affiliate. But there is more. In the realm of affiliate marketing, establishing a compelling platform is a crucial step in connecting with your target audience. Your platform will serve as the central hub for all your affiliate marketing endeavors, providing you with a virtual space to engage, educate, and entice your audience. The choice of platform should align with your preferences, interests, and expertise, as this will enhance your ability to connect with your audience authentically. One popular choice is creating a blog using platforms like WordPress, where you can craft informative and engaging content to showcase affiliate products and share valuable insights with your readers. Blogs enable you to establish yourself as an authority in your niche and attract a loyal readership. Additionally, social media platforms such as Instagram, YouTube, and TikTok offer visually rich avenues to connect with your audience. For instance, Instagram allows you to post compelling images and stories that resonate with your niche, while YouTube lets you create in-depth video reviews and tutorials. TikTok, known for its short-form videos, can be an innovative way to quickly capture the attention of your audience and showcase your affiliate offerings. But hey! Stop! I want 5 seconds of your time. If you feel like getting some value from what you heard already, the best way to say a small thank you is by leaving a like. Now, let's get into the next step. Now that your platform is established, the next step in your affiliate marketing journey is to concentrate on creating high-quality, valuable, and relevant content for your audience. Start by conducting thorough research on your target audience's interests, needs, and preferences. This insight will help you tailor your content to resonate with them effectively. Consider using various formats, such as articles, videos, infographics, or podcasts, to cater to different audience preferences and learning styles. And we are moving to the really interesting part. Upon building valuable content and fostering an engaged audience, the next vital step is applying for affiliate programs. consider notable affiliate programs like Amazon Associates, ideal for physical products. ClickBank, offering diverse digital products. Share a Sale, a network hosting varied industries. And CJ Affiliate, collaborating with established brands. Tailor your platform to align seamlessly with selected programs, maximizing relevance and attracting potential partners. This strategic approach ensures an authentic connection with your audience while capitalizing on lucrative affiliate opportunities. After getting approved for the affiliate programs, start incorporating affiliate links into your content. Avoid being overly promotional. Instead, focus on genuinely recommending products that you believe will benefit your audience. Employ various strategies like product reviews, comparison articles, and tutorials to effectively promote the products you're affiliated with. Most affiliate programs provide tracking tools that allow you to monitor the performance of your affiliate links. Keep a close eye on click-through rates, conversion rates, and earnings. Analyze which strategies yield the best results and optimize your marketing efforts accordingly. Continuous tracking and analysis will help you refine your approach and maximize your earnings. As an affiliate marketer, it's essential to adhere to legal and regulatory requirements in your region. Familiarize yourself with any disclosure or advertising guidelines relevant to affiliate marketing. Being transparent with your audience about your affiliate relationships builds trust and credibility. The world of affiliate marketing is constantly evolving, with new trends and opportunities emerging regularly. Keeping up with the latest trends and best practices will set you apart from the competition and ensure long-term success. As you gain experience and witness positive results, consider scaling your affiliate marketing efforts. Explore opportunities to expand your platform, venture into new niches, or collaborate with other affiliates or influencers. Scaling your efforts strategically can lead to increased income and broader brand reach. That was all for today, guys. If there is anything you would like to discuss about your way to success in making money online, the comments section of this video is open to any one of you. Here is the news. I am starting a challenge of helping anyone in this channel build at least a $500 per month side hustle in 30 days. It is totally free, and all you have to do is get the weekly ideas and inspiration I will be sharing with my videos. So, feel free to subscribe if you don't want to miss it. Thank you for watching.